Hey everyone, this is Jeremy Wilde, hairstylist and barber and Redken Artist. You can follow me on Instagram at Jeremy_Wilde. When I finish my consultation with a client, what I like to do is bring them to the bowl and wash their hair so I can get used to their hair texture as well as the shape of their head. And I'm always gonna use my Redken shampoos. Depending on the hair texture and maybe the problems that they have, we have a bunch of varieties of shampoos that are really good to use. I personally use the thickening shampoo. I've had hair loss problems since I was probably like 25, and ever since I've been using this thickening shampoo, my hair, the thickness of it has dramatically changed and has been a lot fuller and a lot thicker. And we always have clients that have their biggest issues is hair thickness. It's a little thin, so I love using my thickening shampoo. The 3-in-1 shampoo is your best friend for the guy that does not want to complicate himself and just wants a simple product that he's gonna just jump in the shower, apply everywhere on his hair and body, and just be done with it and roll with the flow and go on with his day. It is the simplest and easiest shampoo to sell by a million. The daily shampoo is just a very simple and easy to use tool for someone that just wants fresh and clean hair every day. The great things about the Brews shampoo is that it's formulated with malt that is a great protein to nourish and leave your hair a little bit stronger and fuller. Another great product to add while talking about shampoo is the cleansing bar that is pH balanced, which leaves your skin silky smooth and you actually smell really good too. As I get older, my clientele grows with me, and the main concern that I see in men nowadays is the appearance of gray in their hair. So a great tool that I love to recommend is Color Camo that has an up to 50% gray coverage and leaves a demi-permanent finish and very lived-in natural look that it's gonna go with the wigs and with the wash. Super easy to use, 5 minutes at the sink, boost your bill super easily when you're in the salon as well. Where Brews really shine is in their styling products that has such a variety of styles and finishes that you can use it on literally any client that comes in your chair. From more texturized wild looks to more sleek and clean looks, Brews has it all. What I tell my client is that after the shower, use a little towel dry your hair and put the dish shovel directly into your damn hair for a more what I like to call the clean, dirty look. So it's gonna give the same effect as if you haven't washed your hair in a couple of days, and it's that perfect texture that's super malleable, but still not too greasy, and it just like, it makes you hot and dirty, you know? The Outplay Texture Pomade is probably my most popular behind the chair right now for the trends that are in right now. It's just very wild and texturized, lived-in look that's gonna give you that I'm going to a concert, I do not care about my look that much, woke up like this, looks super good, but actually you put a lot of effort into your hair. The Work Hard molding paste is every finance bro's biggest dream. With its maximum control and matte finish, it's gonna give you that like Patrick Bateman, old money kind of slick back. It really is the right amount of cockiness. The Maneuver Cream Pomade is great for someone who wants almost as if nothing was in their hair. Kind of like an everyday kind of look that's just the right amount of every hair is in place, but it's not too perfect either. It has medium control and a natural finish, so it's really perfect for that everyday look. Thanks again so much for tuning in. Again, I'm Jeremy Wilde. If you need some more tips and tricks, please feel free to request me for any classes. I love to come see you guys, come at your salon, and everything you need for your short hair needs, I'll be there.